Hey everyone, in this video I'll be doing my 20-second at home micro needling using Banisher 2.0, but first let me update you on my skin. So this is how my skin looks. Alright, so this is the tool. This is the Banisher 2.0 and I already disinfected it for 5 minutes using 70% alcohol. Alright, so here I will now start with the procedure. And by the way, everyone, I still use the Banish pumpkin enzyme mask before the procedure. Alright, going back with the procedure, so the way I am using the Banisher tool is still the same. So I'm pressing it on my skin 3 to 5 times. And also I'm still doing the same technique, which is pressing the tool on my skin and then lift it up and then rotate 90 degrees, then press it again on my skin. And by the way, everyone, aside from this tool will help on improving our acne scars, this tool also helped me in treating my hyperpigmentation from my previous TCA chemical peel using 50%. Alright, so I will show you my picture last month. Alright, so here it is. So this is how my skin looks last month. And you can see the hyperpigmentation all over my face. And this is how my skin looks now. So you can see that the hyperpigmentation is more lighter now, which I am super happy. Alright, so I will just finish the procedure and then I'll get back to you, so just enjoy watching. everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!